Hey guys, Dr. Pavan Sabharwal here from My Chiro Mobility. I have a quick tip for you guys. Anybody dealing with a disc problem or sciatica, that's when you get sharp shooting pains down your legs. If you're dealing with that and say you're sick at the same time or something and you find yourself coughing and sneezing a lot, you may have noticed that it's really torturous every time you do it. It's like a sudden blow to that disc every time you do it and shooting pain down into your leg. So a quick fix for something like that, so that you're not loading your disc more and trying to keep it as safe as possible, is to cough or sneeze forward. You want to cough forward. You want to sneeze forward. Usually we cough down, we sneeze down, and that sudden impact is what causes a lot of tension in an already irritated disc. So try that, and remember, if you are coughing and sneezing forward, cover your mouth.